No more switching between tools to get work done. Log into QAnswer and head over to Actions. These are MCP-powered integrations that connect QAnswer to the tools you already use. I've already enabled a few we'll use in this demo. Let's start. I paste some rough meeting notes and ask QAnswer to turn them into a professional Google Doc. QAnswer instantly creates a clean Google Doc. One click, and the meeting minutes are ready to share with the team. Next, let's send it. Write a crisp, professional email to a colleague and attach the document. QAnswer invokes Gmail, drafts the email, and includes the document link. Just confirm, and the email is sent.
Let's verify it in my inbox. And here it is, received instantly. Now let's set up a reminder. Schedule a reminder for March 24th at 11 CET to send the bi-weekly report to Pratibha. QAnswer understands the request and creates the reminder in Google Calendar.
This is the power of MCP actions inside QAnswer, all triggered with simple prompts. Connect your tools, automate your workflows, and let QAnswer handle the rest.
Get started at QAnswer.ai.